Welcome to my kitchen. Join me today in making baked gremolata and panko crusted tilapia. Hello, I'm Becker and welcome to Season 7 of Becker's Easy Eats, where we bring you easy to make and delicious recipes. Today we are making a baked fish recipe. Here are the ingredients. We also prepared some fresh vegetables to grill as side dish. For the fish, I am using tilapia, but you can use any fish fillet you want. My trusty sous chef will first make the gremolata. Chop the parsley finely. Add the zest of 1 lemon. Add the minced garlic. Then season well with salt and pepper. Add the olive oil. Dip in panko breadcrumbs. Mix until well combined. Place the tilapia fillet on a baking sheet and season with salt and pepper. Then press the gremolata mixture onto the fillet, ensuring thick and even layer. Now we are ready to bake the fish in 200 degrees Celsius oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. In the meantime, here is a reminder for my friends Russell and Brentwood.
Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.
And hit that notification bell!
For the grilled veggie sides, you can use any vegetable you like. Here, I am using zucchini, broccoli, yellow and red bell peppers, ray onion, and sweet potato, which you need to parboil. Put all vegetables in a large bowl. Season with salt, pepper, and paprika. Pour in olive oil. Combine thoroughly. We're using this air fryer to grill the veggies.
15 minutes later.
Our fish is cooked, and now we are ready to plate the dish. Thank you for watching. Please consider supporting my Plushie channel. Buy me a coffee. See you next week.